Kaya ka na sa kabang ko. Kalay ko na ako. Lalo wala yung papel.
Mum, it's a 20-year-old car. What do you expect from this bugger? We're here now, about to go for the walk. Got the big tribe with us. Morning, guys. It's really cold today. Oh, sorry. Let me do the proper intro. Morning, SV Squad. Welcome back to another video. So, today we're going for another walk this weekend. And I'm going to go pick up Darnell because he went home to his actual home. So I'm going to go pick him up from his house, my brother's house. And then go and pick up my sisters. So that's the plan today. Aussie is at work. It's Saturday. And that's why we couldn't go to Griffith because he's working. But it's alright. I mean, he got to make back that money from his car. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. It's freezing. It's freezing cold today. It's about 4 degrees or something, maybe lower, because my car's parked in the garage. So the temperature says much higher, but it's going down, down, down. A lot of you guys wanted to see a little bit more of Aussie because a lot of the vlogs have just been about me. But honestly, guys, if I just waited for him to pick up the camera, then you guys would not see a vlog all year. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna try and get him to do like a Aussie's day out kind of vlog because someone did request that. But yeah, I'm about to go now. I look really tired, but it's alright because my face is getting better. Like, I don't look like I just woke up, you know, like, I mean, I did kind of just wake up about 45 minutes ago, but it's not like as bad as before when I was taking like the medication because I stopped taking it. So hey Zai. Okay, so we went all the way to their house, and this guy was not meant to come, but wanted to come. Darnell,
What?
don't beep the horn.
Oh.
Go and get your shoes.
Ow.
For you love that bolong. Why are you laughing, Mr. Man?
Big bum bum.
You don't call your big brother that. You're little. Okay, so we got a full car here. We're in the family van. The 20-year-old family van. Ooh, look at my fridge. Mom's child lock is on.
Kaya ka na sa kabang ko. Kalay ko na ako. Lalo wala yung papel.
Mom, it's a 20-year-old car. What do you expect from this bugger? Next Saturday, I'm going by myself.
No, you're not.
I'm going by myself.
Why do you have long nails?
Excuse me? Excuse me. Singer?
I'm not singer, you're singer.
I was like, babe, look at my new outfit. And you know, like African man, he just goes, and then this guy runs in and goes,
Mummy, what did he say? What did he say? And I was like, what did you say, Daddy? And he goes, oh, I said it looks really good. He looks at me and then I looked at him and go, Daddy said it's really good. And he goes, I think it looks pretty, Mummy. Aww, he's so sweet.
If I get to 100, then I'm
That's like the
Zaya.
question that my husband
You're
hates.
me.
Daddy, do you love me? And he just
Boy.
goes,
I've had that kind of thing before.
you want some?
I already had some.
On your lips?
No, I think you need some. Hey, this is mine. I don't know how you haven't given it back.
Can I take my phone?
Darnell, get off.
If Dad can ride it, I can ride it.
Does he?
Yes.
We're here now. About to go for the walk. Got the big tribe with us.
So when I go to those flag, I'm going to run to the bridge.
Turn to one
Okay. So I thought I'll bring you guys along today because, you know, all you guys saw was us in the car. This is proof. This is evidence.
Evidence.
It's so beautiful out here. Ready? Look at that. It's wonderful. Look at these views. It looks so much better when the sun's out, but... Hey, boos! Hey, boo-boo!
Scotty just caught him a body.
What's your name?
go around.
Oh wait, someone's door's not tight.
It's the boot.
So we're
your own
finally
phone.
back on the camera now.
No, Epic.
We got Zaya here who didn't really make it. I had to bloody push him.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I was...
But I done really well.
Back in the family van.
You're so cute. So I've been home for a while now. I just did my dishes, wiping all my benches and cleaning the stove because our seafood mukbang last weekend splattered everywhere. So I'm just cleaning up the stove. Then I'm going to go head over to that washing, fold the washing, put it all away, get my washing off the line because it's raining, and probably head over to the laundromat with Aussie. But my house is kind of messy. Aussie's finally home from work, finished cleaning the house, washing, and now we've got some wet washing that we're going to go and dry just because I don't want the house to look messy with washing everywhere.
Sup?
Georgie, they said they want to see more of you, not only me, so you got to pick up the camera more and talk more.
You guys always see me. What do you mean? See me every time.
No, they want a day out with you. Oh, I have this setting. It like turns off the viewfinder. Anyways, I have this camera is like cropped, so whatever. Anyways, I don't want to explain it. I wanted to come up and show you guys that we got a finally. We've been meaning to get this for months and months, but last time I checked, it was out of stock. And then I just recently checked and it was back in stock. So we were meant to get it like 3 months ago, and then they were out of stock, and now they're back in stock, and they also lifted the price. So what I have here is a water filter, sediment, fluoride filter, and the ultra pure. So it's Aragon. So this is a bench top. Oh my gosh, this autofocus is just having a bad time right now. The focus is back on. Yes, so that's so much better. We've been meaning to get this for a long time, as I said before. I wanted to get the one that has the filter at the water source so that all the water that's in our house is filtered, but baby steps, you know, because that one was really pricey. This one is decent, it's doable. I'm going to sort of give you updates in our vlogs whether the quality of the water is any different. So guys, the verdict is that it does not fit on the faucet. So I'm just waiting for the customer support to call me back because I had to send them a photo of the faucet. I thought that I was going to have nice, yummy, clean water tonight, but it doesn't look like that. It looks like I may have to go and get some sort of an adapter. Seriously, if I have to get a plumber in to change the faucet, I will be very pissed because this should be easy. It's just a bench top one, and to pay a plumber, like, do you guys know how much it costs for a plumber to come out to your house? Good morning. Hoo-hoo. Good morning. Ooh. I'm sure my neighbors are like, can she shut the heck up? I just woke up 2 hours ago and I was just chilling in bed. Oh, my hair's kind of messy. That big box is from my water filter. Okay, guys, so I was meant to go for a walk because we've been going for a walk every Saturday. My mom, my sisters, my nephew, and I've been going for a walk. So I went to get ready to go, and my mom called me because we're all going to Fishwick today to do some furniture shopping. I want to get a tall boy. I want to show you guys. I'm too lazy to stand up. I want to get a tall boy, and I want to get like a wall ladder. You know those shelf wall ladders in the room? I want to switch up the room a little bit. I really want to get like a TV unit, but that can all wait. I also want to get a TV for our room because we've got a rack in there, but that can wait. Sorry, excuse the soms. I bought this water filter. Let me show you guys. Let me show you real quick. Aussie's gone to work, by the way. I know, how rude. He left me all alone. So I bought this water filter. So this one filters out like copper, zinc, and all the other nasty minerals that you don't really need in your water. And sediment, so the sand, rust, dirt, yeah. And I have just been going through predicament after predicament because, look, there's some connection issues happening with my tap. The adapter that they gave me, which is this little round thing, doesn't fit into my tap. My tap is too small. So I need to look at you guys for this. So I've been spending like, I wouldn't say hours, but like I've been calling and calling and calling, going back and forth with them, emailing. I really don't want to have to return it because I like saved up for this filter. Aussie really didn't want to purchase it, so every pay I will just put aside money for this filter, and I finally got it and it doesn't fit. So then he was like to me, the person was like to me, the only other option that you have is probably, I don't know what accent I'm doing, but he was from Philippines, is probably connecting it to the laundry tap. I'm like, why would I want to go to the laundry room to get a drink? No, give me an adapter that fits or you're getting your product back. I didn't say that, but anyways, if you go through here, I just want to show you our room. I know I'm talking a lot, but guys, it's been a minute, okay? What's his clothes? So I really love, I'm like obsessed with bedding at the moment. Don't mind the little, you know, it's cold, okay? We need 2 blankets. So I get a bed sheet set every fortnight, and then I wash it, and then I change my covers. This is where I want the tall boy to go, so I want it to go there. But I also want to get my TV up there. And over in this corner, I want to put a shelf ladder from, you know, these ones from Kmart, and get rid of the bedside tables. I just feel like, I don't know, or maybe just keep Aussies, but anyways, this is my lovely bed. My room looks so plain because I kicked Aussie out. Aussie used to do his Fortnite stuff there. I was like, nope, out you get. And these are my plants, beautiful plants. This one is my Sabrina plant. Look, it's holding on by a thread. And this one is just booming. Look, it's got like all these little new leaves popping up, sprouting out. Oh yeah, baby. I don't know if you guys watched my Samoan language week video, but I propagated this plant. There were no roots in it at all. Look at those roots. Look at those roots. Yep. So I'm gonna go and get ready, guys, and I'll see you soon.